Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Attar Pangestu and my partner of this project, Reza Satria. We are from class 4 SC7, group 4. We project is fire alarm database diagram. We use the Firebase in this project. More precisely, real-time database on Firebase, and this database structure that we create consisting of gas, humidity, and temperature. In this fire detection kit, we use three sensors: flame sensor, gas sensor, and humidity temperature sensor. The following is a flowchart of NodeMCU. There are three sensors which send data to NodeMCU to example gas. For example, gas. If gas or smoke is detected, the buzzer will sound. The data that has been obtained will be sent to Firebase and saving Firebase when will be displayed on the web application or Android application. This data display from Firebase on Android application. And this what the Firebase data looks like if opened via a web application. This is a picture the fire detection kit that we have assembled.
And now I'm gonna explain the code and the demonstration. And first, this is our real-time database. We made our database from Firebase, and this is our database, and this is our child. As you can see, monitor, gas, humidity, and temperature. So this is our Arduino IDE. We use Firebase Arduino library and ESP8266 Wi-Fi board and DHT library. And this is the host, the Firebase host and Firebase authentication. This is our host from here, and this is Firebase authentication from move to the service account, and then go to the bottom, database secrets, and this is our authentication code. This is our Wi-Fi name and password. This is my SSID and this is my password. And then we define the sensor, the flame sensor, to pin D1, DHT to pin D3, and the DHT type is DHT11, and gas sensor is on analog 0, and the buzzer is on D2. And this is for the DHT. And float, this is our variable gas, temperature, and humidity, and move to the void setup. Serial begin, we use 9600 baud rate here, and this is for the connection, connecting to the Wi-Fi. And if it's not connected, it will right. And this is when our device is connected to the Wi-Fi. And this is for Firebase begin, and this is Firebase host and authentication from the upper. And starting the LED mode, this is frame sensor, buzzer, gas sensor, like from here. And then for the gas sensor, DHT, and then the void loop. And this is for the reading for the MK2 sensor, which is gas sensor or smoke sensor, from analog 0. And this is for in the serial monitor. This is to read the DHT11 temperature and humidity. And this is to print on serial monitor temperature, humidity, and the value is temp and humid from here, and delay is 1 second. And if the gas is more than 600, this will appear smoke detected, appear to serial monitor, and the buzzer will on, and if else, the buzzer will not turn on. And this is for the set value to the Firebase. And this is we have these 3 set value for gas, and this is set value for temperature, and this is set value for humidity. Right, this is Firebase set float. This is monitor / gas, because in this child we use this / monitor, and from this child again. Right, this is the code, and if it's error, it will print gagal kirim data. And this is to update the gas value, and the code is the same, monitor / gas. And for the temperature, it's appear the same, monitor / temperature, and for the humidity, monitor / humidity. And this is to read the data from the Firebase. This is to get the gas data, gas equal to firebase.getFloat monitor / gas. And this is for the temperature, it's appeared the same. The difference is only in here. This is gas, this is temperature, this is humidity, and this is monitor / gas, monitor / temperature, monitor / humidity. And I already upload this, and this is the serial monitor from COM4. Right, this is will appear the temperature, the humidity, and the gas. Right, move to the our Android application. We use this MIT App Inventor, and as you can see, our gas is right. Our gas is 163, and this is 163. Temperature is right. This is a little the difference because the right in the COM4. Right, the temperature is alright, so it will update it since time passed. And this is for our web application. This is the code. Right, we use this HTML and JS in JavaScript. Right, for the HTML we use document type HTML, language is English, and we use metadata, and this is our style sheet. This is a bootstrap CSS, and this is the link to the Firebase app.js and for Firebase database.js. And this is div class. This is for the container top navigation bar. This is our title, and this is style, and this is the text that appeared in here, and this is humidity, which this will use to the our JavaScript. And this is to temperature, this is gas, and this is our link to main.js. This is main.js, and this is for the integrity. This is move to the our main.js from above. This is for our Firebase configuration. I get this from here. Sorry. Right, I get this from here. Script, IP key, authentication domain, project ID, storage bucket, messaging Splendor ID, and application ID. And I copy here. And then this is for initialize Firebase. We use Firebase initialize app, Firebase config, variable h, t, g, and c. From here, this is declare the variable, and this is this is from here. This temperature, and this is for the clock. We also use the clock here, right? So we would know this is a real time, and this is the code for the clock. This is for the date, this is for the hour, minute, and second, and this is for the Firebase reference. We use this monitor right here. Wait, right now we use this link /monitor, and this is the snapshot function to get the data from the Firebase, and this is H for the humidity, T for the temperature, and G for the gas. And this is our database child, humid, temp, and gas, right? Humid, temp, and gas. And when you open this will be appeared like this. And for our MIT app inventor, wait a second, we used block code for making this application. This is our application. This is the blocks, right? This is for initialize, and this is for calling the database value. The tag is gas, temp, and humidity. And this is when Firebase get the value, if the tag is guess, set guess text to get value and appear to the others, and when the data change, this is the same as the get value. And then me and Attar will demonstrate the video of our device. And this is our device. And now we're gonna test the gas sensor. As you can see, this is 125, and we're gonna add some gas to here. Right, it is you can see it's adding more value. And for the Android application, this is 230, and we're gonna add some more gas. Sorry, we're gonna add more gas. Right, wait, as you can see, this is real time. Right, and the LED is glowing, but the value is 600 and up.